Hello students, welcome back to your English grammar online class. Today we are going to start a new chapter and the name of the chapter is use of this and those, chapter number 9. So in this chapter we are going to learn where we have to use the word this and those. Okay, let's read. When we point to many things that are near to us, we use the word this. Okay, so when we use the word this, when we have to point to many things which that are near to us, we will use the word this. Okay, like you can see here too many marble is there, so if I have to point this marble, so I will use the word this. These are marbles. Okay, so I use the word these are marbles. So in the picture also you can see, in the picture girl is pointing the pencil. So we in this sentence we will use the word this. These are pencils. These are hands. Next one, when we point to many things that are away from us, we use the word those. Okay, so when we use the word when we have to point too many things which are far away from us, which word we will use? We will use the word those. Okay, when too many things which are far away from us, so we use the word those. If I have to before in the word this, if I have to show too many books which is near to me, so I will use those. I will use this. These are books. This if I have to show pencil, these are pencils. But in next one, when we have to point too many things which are far away from us, we use the word. If I have to show many house which are far away from me, I will use those. Those are house. Those are house. Those are building. Those are cars, like that. Okay, in the picture also you can see many birds are far away from girl. So in order to point that girl is using the word those are bird. Second one, in order to show the bird which are far away from God, the girl used here we use the word those. Those are birds. Okay, number A, look at the pictures and change these to this. Okay, by looking at the picture you have to change this to this. This tree, these are trees. This cup, these are cups. Okay, and this boy, these are boys. This fan, these are fans. Number B, look at the example and change that to those. Okay, number B, look at the example and change that to those. One has been done for you. So you one example is given. So number one, that is done for you. Okay, that rabbit is fluffy. Those rabbits are floppy. You have to change that to those. Okay, that parrot is clever. Those parrots are clever. The teacher is nice. Those teachers are nice. The boy is naughty. Those boys are naughty. The monkey is hungry. Those monkeys are hungry. That jug is empty. Those jugs are empty. That player is very good. Those players are very good. The girl is smart. Those girls are smart. Quick summary. What this is used to point at many things near to us. Before we already learned that when too many things that are near to us, we use the word this. Okay, And number 2, what those is used to point at many things far away from us. When the things, too many things which are far away from us, we will use the word those. Okay, so I will send you homework through WhatsApp. Okay.